Hey, Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a Harris 230 Solstice. This 2020 230 Solstice has got a nice swim step, drops down in the water. It's powered by a Mercury 225 4-stroke engine. It has a nice stainless steel 4-step boarding ladder. Rear speakers. Has a large sun pad in the back. Seat will flip forward or back, give you more comfort for lounging. More speakers, lighted cup holders, entertainment bar. As you can see, it has the 12-inch, not a 12-inch, it's got a Simrad in-dash GPS chart plotter, JL audio system, phone charger, all cordless, digital throttle, diamond stitch pattern in the upholstery, armrests in your front bow seats, has 6 speakers, subwoofer. This is the 2020 230 Solstice by Harris. If you'd like to drop by MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.